Hey everybody, want to shoot this short video kind of introducing week 3 to you guys. We're reaching the midway point of the mod, which is always an exciting point in time for a class. This week we're covering Chapter 5, which is sales and collection processes, and Chapter 6, which is the purchase and the payment processes. Everything we've covered up to this point in terms of data modeling and relational databases uh, kind of sets the table for us getting into actual accounting business processes that we're going to be looking at this week. So when you're approaching this week and beginning your assignments and your homework and whatnot, keep that in mind that we've been building all along, starting with week 1, and we'll continue building off of week 3. Um, while you're doing your reading, make sure that you're paying a special attention to the comprehensive exercise that they give you in the text. I think that'll help you with your understanding. The reading, if you look at it by itself without any kind of context, it is very, very hard to understand. So any example that they give you can only help. Be sure to look at the flow charts they give you and try to understand the concepts behind it. Again, like I said last week, it's not so much a memorization thing as it is kind of wrapping your head around the concepts and whatnot that they're trying to introduce you to. As I said in the video last week, week 1's participation and completion of the assignments and the other deliverables was unbelievable. I was really impressed with you guys there. Week 2 looks like it's going to be very similar. Uh, I'm recording this on Sunday night, so not sure if the total results yet, but everything that I've looked at so far looks like everybody's kind of on track. I know there was a little confusion with the assignment number 2 with that blank dark PowerPoint sheet that comes up, but that's by design, and they want you guys to use that sheet to complete the assignment. So it if for whatever reason you're watching this Monday and you were stuck on that, be sure to go back and look at that, and I'll be happy to help you if you need any help with it. Obviously, um, the deliverables this week pretty much mirror what we've done so far. There's 2 homework assignments in Connect. There's 2 assignment deliverables in Moodle Rooms that you'll do on your own and submit there in the Moodle Room for the week. What sets this week apart is the midterm that we have. It's comprehensive up to this point, covers chapters 1 through 6, weeks 1 and 2, plus obviously what we're doing this week as well. It's 60 questions. Um, from what I can see, it's all multiple choice. So um, midterms can always be a challenge, but I want to emphasize with the quizzes, the midterm, and then later on in week 5 when we have the final. I want you guys to use the book. I want you guys to use your resources that you have at your disposal to complete these. Um, Life's basically open book, and I want you guys to approach these quizzes and tests that way. Use your book, use your notes, use the PowerPoints, use the videos that we give you, and I think you'll be okay. Um, again, the midterm is exactly what it says it is. It's kind of a depth gauge to see where we're at for the mod. So it'll be a good gauge of where you guys stand with what we've kind of thrown at you and it'll show me where we stand and what we understand, what we don't. But take your time with that midterm, and I think you guys will be fine. Um, if you look at the homework mod this week, they recommend 25 hours. Again, I kind of harp on this. I think it's just a good gauge of where you guys should be. Like I said last week in last week's video, the recommended hours. Not everybody's going to need 20 or 25. This week, like I said, it's 25 hours. Um, that includes the reading, um, the homework, the midterm. Um, this week's probably a little bit more because of that midterm. So keep that in mind as you go. That's really just kind of a gauge of where you need to be in terms of how much time you're devoting to the class. So I'm going to wrap this up. It's short and sweet. I don't want to take too much of your time. If something comes up with one of the assignments or if there's an issue with anything else, I'll probably shoot another video and put it out there. But I'll let you know via course announcements if that's actually the case. But have a good week. Let me know if I can be of assistance to you guys. I mean, there hasn't been a whole lot of correspondence, students asking for help so far this mod, but we're still early, and that can certainly change. And feel free to reach out to me, email me the instructor link as well. I'm always looking at this stuff, so if you reach out to me, I'll answer any questions that you've got within. I say 24 hours, but it's usually more like 8 or 9 at the most. So feel free to reach out to me. That's what I'm here for. I want to get everybody through the course, which so far we're doing well with, and look forward to seeing each of you in the discussion forum. Again, one more thing while I'm thinking about the discussion forums. Again, 2 questions that I've put out there. And it's just it's a good way for us to bounce ideas off of each other and learn something from everybody. So be sure to participate in that. Everybody's done a good job with that so far as well. That's all I've got. So again, reach out to me if you have anything, and I'll be happy to help.